Hi, my name is Bartek. I'm a product manager at Coder, and today I will talk to you about the feature of Workspace Prebuilds. What is the problem that we are trying to solve with this feature? So imagine a situation where a developer needs to start working on something, and they need the workspace or the environment in which this work is possible to be executed. They click the button within Coder UI called Create Workspace and then wait for 1 minute, 2 minutes. Sometimes, depending on the complexity of the workspace, it might take up to 20 minutes for the workspace to be created. So this is clearly a waste of time, and it also leads to inflexibility in how the workspaces are used. Developers tend to have a single workspace for everything in such scenarios because the cost of switching the workspaces is just prohibitive, it's just too high. So they cram everything in one environment and they try to do everything in it. And it's especially important to avoid such situations where the developers are working with AI, especially agentic AI, and they want to experiment with different models, or they want to work on several problems at the same time and issue the agents for different tasks at the same time. So this is where the Coder Prebuilt Workspaces come in. It's a feature that allows the template admins to define a size of a pool of pre-built workspaces for specific settings, for specific presets. And such pools are created automatically by Coder backend, by the subsystems. And they wait for the developers to ask or to create a workspace meeting the same settings, meeting the same presets. When such a request is detected, the developer, instead of being given a freshly built workspace, is given one of the workspaces from such a pool, from the pre-built pool. Consequently, the process of claiming the workspace takes much shorter. One of our customers who have participated in the beta program managed to reduce the wait time tenfold just by using the pre-builds. And this time can be optimized even further by smart definition of settings and the presets. So this is why we have built the workspace pre-builds, to save time and to make the workspaces and the working with Coder much more flexible. Thank you.